Welcome back to MotorMix, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and insights on the most iconic and cutting-edge vehicles in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the epitome of luxury power and exclusivity, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero. This masterpiece of engineering combines the best of Mercedes luxury with Maybach's unparalleled craftsmanship. So buckle up as we take you through everything you need to know about this extraordinary machine. Design a modern take on luxury. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero retains the signature elegance of the Maybach brand while introducing modern design elements that push it into a league of its own. The sleek, elongated silhouette is not just for show. Every curve and line serves a purpose, optimizing aerodynamics without compromising style. The front grille, adorned with the iconic Maybach emblem, immediately grabs attention, while the LED matrix headlights give it a futuristic touch. It's a perfect blend of sophistication and power, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Interior design. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of opulence. The 2025 Exelero features the finest leather upholstery, hand-stitched with meticulous detail. The cabin offers a fully customizable ambiance with ambient lighting that can be tailored to any mood. The rear seats, often a highlight in Maybach models, offer more than just comfort. They're equipped with massaging functions, climate control, and even reclining features that rival first-class airline seats. The infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX technology, seamlessly integrating AI-based voice commands, gesture controls, and a massive touchscreen interface. Engine and performance. While the 2025 Exelero is a luxury car at heart, it packs a serious punch under the hood. Powered by a monstrous 6.0-liter V12 engine, this Grand Tourer generates over 700 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. Despite its size and weight, the Exelero handles like a dream, thanks to advanced suspension systems and adaptive damping technology. Whether cruising through city streets or pushing it on the open road, the Exelero delivers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. Exclusivity. Owning the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero is not just about having a car, it's about making a statement. This model is produced in extremely limited numbers, with each unit being highly customizable to meet the specific preferences of its owner. From bespoke paint jobs to tailored interiors, no two Exceleros are the same. This is a vehicle designed for those who demand the highest level of exclusivity and are willing to pay for it. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero is more than just a luxury car, it's a symbol of prestige, power, and innovation. It's for those who not only appreciate the finer things in life, but also demand a driving experience that stands out from the crowd. From its impeccable design to its high-performance capabilities, the Exelero sets a new benchmark in the world of luxury grand tours. Thank you for tuning into MotorMix. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Exelero, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive content on the world's most extraordinary vehicles. See you in the next video.